Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, we are going to be breaking down absolutely everything that we discussed in this morning's live stream, Coffee and Crypto. This is Crypto Espresso, and in this video, we are going to be talking about the head and shoulders pattern that is formed on Bitcoin, whether or not a $53,000 Bitcoin is coming, or if Bitcoin is about to rally back above all-time high and beyond. If you want to know where Bitcoin is likely to head next, this is the video for you, but without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Bitcoin rallied straight up 64%, $26,000 in 21 days. Over the last 5 days since Bitcoin hit all-time high, we've been moving to the downside. In fact, we retraced a total of 10%. A lot of people are worried about this, saying, hey, we broke all-time high. What gives? Why are we not breaking it really hard? Why are we not moving very fast? Well, I would say to that, Bitcoin needed to move sideways. Bitcoin needed to consolidate. Looking at our Bollinger Bands here, we can see that Bitcoin has been consolidating and constricting on Bollinger Bands, and we can also see that the volume has been declining. What does that mean? That means that Bitcoin is finding support right here in between $60,000 and $65,000. It means that Bitcoin is building a strong foundation at this level in a similar way that Bitcoin built a strong foundation back here in between $44,000 and $48,000 in August and September. I think right now Bitcoin is gearing up and preparing and laying the foundation work to build a massive rally up towards $100,000. But the bears would disagree with that. A lot of bears right now are saying, yes, but Bitcoin has a head and shoulders pattern with a shoulder right there, head right there, and a shoulder forming right here. We have a shoulder line right here at 63,000 and a neckline right here at $60,000, and if you just draw a simple price target here, then you will find that the price target for Bitcoin breaking to the downside is down here around 53. So the bears are saying, hey, Bitcoin could pull all the way back down to 53,000, which is the same level that we set back over here as a high on the 7th of September. I would say nonsense to that. It is possible that we pull back down there, but even if we do, it would not be a bad thing. I say it would be a good thing. Whether or not Bitcoin holds 60,000 and bounces and rallies and moves to the upside and goes to all-time high, or if Bitcoin does pull all the way back down to $53,000, bounces and rallies and moves back up to all-time high, what does that do? It basically just means that we're having a correction wave in a longer uptrend, a bull market, a primary move to the upside. Bitcoin right now, in my opinion, is very, very bullish, and if you want to find out all of the technical analysis that goes into our opinion on that, definitely make sure to watch Coffee and Crypto this morning. A couple of things that I can tell you briefly are this. Number one, there is bullish RSI divergence showing up on the daily chart. You can see that showing up right here. You can also see too that we've had a bearish MACD cross, but it's not a very severe bearish MACD cross. Bitcoin very well could trend to the upside relatively soon and see that break to the upside. On top of that, looking here at Lux Algo, we can see that we're still under a strong buy signal, and we're actually finding support here on the trend catcher, as well as many other reasons why we are bullish right now. Also, looking here at the VPVR, we can see that there is a strong zone of support here between $54,000 and $58,000. Right now, everything is very bullish on Bitcoin. There are reasons to think that Bitcoin could pull back as low as 53,000, but in my personal opinion, the overwhelmingly likely scenario is that we hold above 58 to 60. We trade sideways between 60 and 65 for a few days, maybe up to a week, and then eventually we're going to break to the upside. We're going to go back to all-time high, and we're going to go even farther beyond. But I want to hear your take. Where do you think Bitcoin is going? Are we going to see a massive break above all-time high in 2 weeks, or do you agree with the bears? Are we going to go down to 53,000 as a result of that head and shoulders pattern? I want to hear your thoughts down below. That's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.